Do you want to work in the US, UK, Europe, Canada, or Singapore and earn a six-figure salary in the life sciences field? If that is your goal, then this essential video is specifically designed for you today. Today, I will reveal the 5 most powerful skills that top international employers actively seek out. Skills that can transform any biotech student into a truly global candidate. By mastering these 5 core competencies, your probability of securing a high-paying visa, sponsored, and career-secure international job increases dramatically. Let us begin by exploring the first crucial skill set. Skill 1, Advanced Data Skills, Python, R, and Bioinformatics. In 2026, every high-paying job abroad in life sciences needs data skills. Whether it's drug discovery, genomics, clinical trials, or vaccine research, everything is digital now. What to learn? Python Basics P, Panda SUDI, NumPy R for biostatistics, SQL for database queries, bioinformatics tools, BLAST, North Carolina BI, Galaxy, Bioconductor. Why it matters. Companies abroad expect scientists who can read data, clean data, visualize data, and automate tasks. This one skill alone can push your salary into the $80,000 $140,000 range. Real job titles: bioinformatics analyst, clinical data scientist, genomics analyst, R&D data engineer. Skill 2, lab automation and digital lab skills. High-income countries are moving fast into automation. If you know how to operate or understand automated systems, your value jumps by 3-5 times. What to learn? LIMS, Laboratory Information Management System, ELN, Electronic Lab Notebook. Automated PCR, robotic pipetting, high-throughput screening instrument software, HPLC, GC, flow cytometry software, etc. Why it matters. International labs prefer scientists who can handle smart labs, not just manual techniques. Salary impact: automation-skilled scientists often earn $100 KAD because they save companies time, manpower, and money. Skill 3, regulatory and documentation mastery. If you want 6-figure jobs abroad, you must know how to document like a professional scientist. Countries like the US, UK, and Europe follow strict guidelines. What to learn? Good documentation practices, GDP, GMP, per gigaliter P standards, iCheat guidelines, FDA and EMA, rules writing protocols, batch records, validation reports. Why it matters. Documentation decides approval of drugs, devices, and vaccines. Professionals with strong regulatory or documentation skills become Regulatory Affairs Associates, Quality Assurance Specialists, Validation, Scientist Compliance Analysts. Salary. Regulatory and QA roles easily pay $90,000, $130,000 abroad. Skill 4, Scientific Communication, Writing plus Presentation. This is the most underrated skill. If you can explain complex science in simple words, you instantly become valuable. What to learn? Scientific writing, presentation, design, research, storytelling, creating reports, posters, white papers, communicating results clearly. Why it matters. Global companies need people who can write study summaries, regulatory reports, research proposals, scientific papers, grant applications. A strong communication skill can literally turn you into a team leader, project manager, or global coordinator. Salary, medical and scientific communication roles go up to $80,000, $150,000 with experience. Skill 5, global mindset plus soft skills. The game changer technical skills will get you shortlisted, but soft skills get you hired. Essential soft skills: problem-solving, time management, cross-cultural teamwork, English, speaking clarity, confidence in meetings, remote collaboration, leadership mindset. Why it matters. When you work abroad, you deal with people from US, Europe, Asia, Middle East, Africa companies. Want people who communicate well and adapt fast. Salary boost, soft skill. Strong candidates grow faster into senior roles, earning $120 KT. When you work internationally, you will inevitably collaborate closely with colleagues originating from the US, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Hiring managers strongly prefer adaptable individuals who can communicate clearly and integrate quickly into dynamic, multifaceted global teams. The winning formula is a powerful synthesis of deep core biology knowledge, essential data skills, strong documentation mastery, and clear global communication ability. This complete international scientist profile makes you immediately eligible for roles like bioinformatics scientist or specialized QA/RA specialist positions. You will also qualify for high-paying roles, such as process development expert, automation, scientist, or a scientific writer serving global clients. To begin building this essential profile today, first commit to learning basic Python or R using readily available free online resources. Next, challenge yourself to complete one small, practical project, even if it involves analyzing only a single, small internal dataset. Start consciously adopting and rigorously practicing proper, professional scientific documentation styles in all of your current written work. Actively work on refining your spoken English clarity and concentrate on applying effective presentation design principles to your slides. How to start today. Quick action plan. 1. To learn basic Python or R free resources online. 2. Bsc. Build one mini project, even a small dataset is enough. 3. Start using proper scientific documentation style. 4. Improve your English clarity and presentation design. 5. Apply for remote internships to gain global exposure. If you are truly serious about working abroad and earning that six-figure salary, you must start building these 5 skills immediately without waiting for luck or contacts. Your academic degree provides the necessary foundation, but these 5 skills are the specific key that unlocks the door to the international industry. If you want a dedicated, step-by-step video detailing the full roadmap to landing a 6-figure life science job abroad, please comment that request below. As always, don't forget to like this video, share it with a colleague, and subscribe to Labmonk Official for your weekly career boosting tips.